In the tiny Pacific island of Nengoni in New-Caledonia, the cicada has come from underground and has removed its old shell. Now she can fly and sing as loud as she can, so the people living there know that it is time to harvest the first yam of the year. January is the thriving period for the spider. Many cicadas fly straight into its sticky web. The summer break is also time for a funny hunt. Like the spider, children just love eating cicadas. With their hunting tools made from recycled materials, they tracked their flying treats when they rest on the trees. Thread into a coconut leaf, the cicadas are barely grilled on the little fire. Now the best part can begin.
지가 그리지. 지가 그리지.